Hello everyone, welcome to this series of science lessons. This is a continuation of the previous lecture. In this presentation, we will study about climate and adaptation. Adaptation, not adaptation. In simple terms, adapt means get used to something. Climate has significant effect on all living organisms. Animals are adapted. Animals are got used to survive in the conditions in which they live. Some animals live in very cold climate and some animals live in very hot climate. Polar bears, for example, polar bears live in very cold climate, whereas camels live in very hot climate. If you put polar bear in desert, or if you put camel in a very cold climate region like near North Pole or South Pole, animals can't survive. So animals are adapted to survive in the conditions in which they live. Since the beginning, if camels are adapted to live in very cold climatic conditions, they would survive. Camels would survive. Similarly, if from the beginning, if polar bears are adapted to live in desert regions or very hot climatic conditions, polar bears would have been survived. But it is not the case. Polar regions. Polar regions present an extreme climate. These conditions are covered with snow and it is very cold for most part of the year. For 6 months, sun do not set at poles, while for other 6 months, sun do not rise itself. There will be complete darkness. Generally, we find polar bears in North Pole and we see majority of penguins in South Poles. It is the way they are adapted since the beginning, since so many years. Polar bears have white fur so that they are not visible in the snowy white background. Even snow is white in color, that is what is visible for us. And polar bears also have white fur, so that makes polar bears to have advantage of not being seen by enemies. It is acting like a camouflage. It also helps them in catching their prey. To protect them from extreme cold, they have 2 thick layers of fur. They also have layer of fat under their skin. In fact, they are so well insulated that they have to move slowly and rest often to avoid getting overheated. Here we can see a polar bear. Polar bears are white in color. That makes predator unable to see. It makes harder to see polar bears in white background. It has 2 thick layers of fur. These keep it warm in cold weather. Like if you wear a thick sweater in a cold climate or weather, you will feel warm. Similarly, in case of polar bears, it has 2 thick layers of fur. These keep it warm in cold weather. It has a layer of fat under its skin. Consequently, the fat insulates its body from cold and keeps it warm. The white fur is not easily visible in snowy white background, as we discussed earlier. It has a very strong sense of smell. It helps the bear to locate and catch its prey. The very strong sense of smells make polar bear to find its food. It has long, curved and sharp claws. These features helps them to walk on ice. They provide extra grip. Another well-known animal living in polar regions is penguins. Generally, we find penguins in Antarctic region near the South Pole. It is also white and merges well with the white background. Even penguins have thick skin and lot of fat to protect themselves from cold. You may have seen in the pictures that penguins huddled together. Generally, we see penguins in group, a group of so many penguins. One of the reason for this is the group keep them warm. Similarly, how we feel warm when we are surrounded with a room full of people. Other animals living in polar regions are fishes, musk, oxen, reindeers, foxes, seals, whales, and some birds. While fish can remain under cold water for long duration, but birds have to remain but birds must remain warm to survive. So they migrate to warmer regions when winter sets in and they come back after winter is over. India is one of the destinations of many of these birds in places like Bharatpur in Rajasthan and Sultanpur in Haryana. These are two notable examples where you can see migration of birds. Tropical rainforests. The tropical region has generally a hot climate because of its location around the equator. Even in the coldest month, the temperature is generally higher than 15 degrees centigrade. During hot summers, the temperature may cross 40 degrees Celsius. We can notice the length of days and nights are almost equal throughout the year. And one more notable feature is these regions also get plenty of rainfall. An important feature of this region is the tropical rainforests. We generally find the tropical rainforest in Western Ghats, Assam in India, Southeast Asia, Central America, and Central Africa. Because of continuous warmth and rain, the region supports a variety of plants and animals. These tropical rainforests are habitat for many species of animals and even plants. Western Ghats are well known for its serene beauty. You can see beautiful mountains, rivers, and so many hill stations. The view is fantastic. Since the numbers are large, since there are so many animals, there is intense competition for food and shelter. The content of this recording is borrowed from Karnataka Textbook Society, Bangalore, under Fair Research Policy. This video is presented by Our Technologies. Please do hit subscribe button to get more content. Thank you.